explore your house, find whatever you can, and try to be experimental. Get whatever you can and get that workout in.
अच्छा सुन, मेरी बुक्स कहाँ पर है?
यार वो मेरे इसके अंदर है, सूटकेस के अंदर है.
अच्छा मेरी बॉटल देखिए.
अरे वो मेरे दूसरे बैग के अंदर है. मुझे बाइसेप कर्ल करनी थी उससे, और शोल्डर फ्लाई, इसलिए पानी बॉल काफ़ी यूजफुल होती है.
भाई क्या कर रहा है, मजाक कर रहा है क्या?
अच्छा ओट्स तो पता होगा, ओट्स तो पता कहाँ है? अरे वो सूटकेस के अंदर नहीं है, बट इट्स इनसाइड द अदर बैग, बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए था, सो आई यूज्ड ओट्स. और कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था यार, आटा वाज टू हैवी, ओट्स वाज परफेक्ट.
भाई क्या चल रही है?
What's up guys, welcome to my video. So this video is going to be about a full day fueled by hummus. How's that for a title? I think that's a good title. Yeah, so I'm going to go with this title, full day fueled with hummus. And obviously I'm not going to use any equipments. I'll just use whatever I have at my disposal. जो भी दिख रहा है उठा के I'll start doing a full workout. So let's get started right now. So there we go, we have the hummus ready. Looks very beautiful, and trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. So, fun story, I used to be scared of fats and carbs initially, but over the time you learn it's not that bad, and you start questioning why the phobia of fats is, and where did it even come from. This is one of the perks of intermittent fasting. आप थोड़ा late खाइए, but the best part is you are allowed to have more fats, more carbs within that shorter window. So मैं यूजली क्या करता हूँ, आई यूजली हैव माई हमस विद रोस्टेड ब्रेड. इस पर हल्का सा बटर लगा देता हूँ. येस, बटर से मत डरो. हैव सम बटर, नथिंग्स गोना हैपन, यू नॉट गोना बी फैट. लेट मी टेक अ बाइट एंड सी हाउ दिस इज. देयर यू गो. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं फेक नहीं कर रहा. दिस इज रियली गुड. मुझे ना कसौल तोश की याद आ गई. वेयर यू गेट अमेजिंग इजरायली फूड. हाँ, इट्स अ बिट ऑन द हेल्थियर साइड, बट आई थिंक इट डिड हिट द स्पॉट. आई वुड रेकमेंड यू टू ट्राई इट, एंड आई एम श्योर इफ यू ट्राइड इट बाय नाउ आप अपनी उंगली चाट रहे हो. एंड इफ यू डिड दैट, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. मैंने इतना तो बनता है. And we're done. Great meal to kick off the day. A lot of you people out there find empty stomach as an excuse to not work out. You know, I think it's a very lame reason to not work out on empty stomach. But if you're one of those who use this as an excuse, I think this is something that you can have. It will hardly take 10 minutes. All you need to do is just take all those ingredients and put them in the grinder. But yeah, there's a little bit of effort. You just need to pre-soak the chickpeas the previous night, probably around 6 to 7 hours would do. That's the beauty of planning your diet, you know. If you plan everything in advance, अगर आपने आज रात को pre-boil करके रख लिया, pre-soak करके रख लिया, you're going to make sure you have that tomorrow, because you have already put in the efforts. So pre-planning your meals is a great way to keep your diet in check. We're done now. We're done with the carb intake. Sab ho gaya. No more excuses. Now it's time for you to get off that couch and let's get that full workout in. What I do for pull workouts is I try to hit my lat muscles from 3 different angles: 90 degree in respect to the perpendicular, 45 degree and 180 degree. This is 180 degree, a very basic pull up movement, and usually मैं 50 reps के आसपास करता हूँ when I start my lat workout. But since we don't have any equipments and there are no barbells, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get more reps out of it. Forty reps or something over here. I think 41, but still have a long way to go. Last 30 reps are going to burn me. And yeah, one key thing that I would like to tell you is don't burn yourself out. It's not about that one good workout that you have in a week. It's about 5 decent workouts, because at the end of the day, volume is what matters. So next up, barbell bent over rows. In my case, it's going to be detachable mop bent over rows. Now, what I've done is I have these two suitcases. Try to load them with as much as weight I had. K-tip, don't load it with books. Try to get some grains or probably rice. I've packed them up with rice, and I think they weigh around 17 to 18 kilos. Not more than that for sure, because I'm able to curl with them. Now we are going to cover 45 degrees in respect to the body plane. The main purpose of this exercise is to target these four muscles, primary lats, then rhomboids. Uske baad you have a little bit of biceps and glutes as well. And yes, it's going to engage the spinal erectors as well, but in my case it won't, because I'm using very lightweight. Got to make the most out of what we have. And most importantly, again, load come here. The key focus over here is to get more reps. Try to focus on the eccentric motion over here. Take the weight down as slow as you can. So done with this workout, 45 degrees hit ho gaya, next up is 90 degree. So basically we need to find something which replaces one arm rowing. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I can get creative at times, and trust me, I'll find an alternative for you guys. So this is my dumbbell for today, and basically it consists of all sorts of carbs, proteins, सब कुछ है इसमें. Looks a bit odd, but it's okay, man. Abhi you got to make the best out of what you have, and people might probably mock you and think अरे क्या कर रहा है, पागल हो गया. But at the end of the day, if you are replicating the same moment that you do in the gym, you'll come out as a winner. Simple as that. One K tip, don't go for a plastic bag. Make sure you have a proper clothed bag or something that's made out of a stronger material, because you don't want it to break. Nahi to varna your mom will probably shout on you, she'll cut off the internet, and then you'll unsubscribe from my channel. So I want those views, so make sure you don't upset your parents. Are you a Jeff Hardy fan? Try this version of inverted bodyweight rows, but make sure you play it safe. And last but not the least, curls for girls, cause strength कितनी कर लोगे यार? Do you want to be aesthetic as well? I know aesthetics don't matter, and अगर आप low fat पे हो, हल्की सी vein आती है ना बाहर, and if you get appreciated for that, तब तो मजा ही आ जाता है. Again, the mop to the rescue. I'm glad I have this, and I'm glad nobody is using this one of the outfit. Key over here is to make sure you get very slow eccentric motion. Again, it's the same principle, because you're using lightweight, you need to make sure that you release the weight as slow as you can, and that's it. You'll be done for the day. And trust me, अगर आप धीरे से release करोगे, even 12 reps of, I don't know how much these weigh, I think they weigh around 12 kilos or something, should be good enough for you. और शायद आपने एक चीज़ और नोटिस की होगी, आई हैव लॉस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बॉडी फैट. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई वाज ऑन अ calorie deficit for the last 10 days or something. One advice that I would like to give you is, you're not going to be motivated during this quarantine season because you don't have enough weights or options around you. So it's always better to set a target and try to hit it. Give yourself a decent achievable target and make sure you try to hit it in a given span of time. So my target is to make sure I reduce my body fat and get my abs back. It's been around 7 to 8 days of 20% calorie deficit, and I think I'm in a pretty good shape right now. Whatever I'm doing, it's working out quite well. थोड़ा intermittent fasting, थोड़ा macro counting चल रहा है, और कुछ नहीं. Very simple. Count your calories. This is what is keeping me motivated. Stay tuned to the channel. You will see my weekly progress, and I'll try to get shredded to an extent which is sustainable. पागलों जैसे नहीं करूँगा कि that I wouldn't go on a very low carb or low fat diet. So it's been a good day so far. Love the hummus. It turned out to be fantastic. And so thanks for watching. I'm glad you came so far. And enjoy your quarantine. Bye bye. Take care.